watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The mantel is often the heart of the home during the holidays. It is where we hang our stockings and display our favorite treasures. Today, I want to show you some fresh and stylish ways to dress up your fireplace. Whether you like modern, rustic, or glam styles, there is something here for you. Let's take a look. Start with a lush evergreen garland paired with creamy stockings. Add striped candles for a modern look with a warm, rustic feel. For a glowing effect, add pine cones to your garland. Place a glass bowl filled with lights in the center for a magical sparkle. Utilize a non-working fireplace by placing candle lanterns inside. Above, style a lush greenery garland with classic candles and stockings. Sometimes simple is best. An evergreen and magnolia garland mixed with lots of candles is enough to create a truly festive look. For effortless elegance, simply layer an evergreen garland with rows of candles. It is easy to recreate and looks very sophisticated. Create a winter mood with snowy pine cones and a white pom-pom garland. Add printed stockings and a large sign to anchor the space. Go rustic with a pine cone-filled garland. Place candles on either side and hang a welcoming sign above for a cozy focal point. Add character with a whitewashed palette sign and a lit garland. Leaning vintage skis next to the fireplace adds a fun, sporty touch. Mix textures by adding wooden beads to your garland. Use gilded candle holders and a snowy wreath to complement the plaid stockings. For a cozy, neutral look, mix plaid and faux fur stockings. Add potted evergreen trees and a chalkboard sign for a personal touch. Make a statement by adding antlers adorned with ornaments to your garland. The lights and candles keep the look warm and inviting. Combine glam and rustic styles using large pine cones and gilded candle holders. A mirror behind the display reflects the beautiful light. Keep it pretty and rustic with neutral stockings and a lit garland. A matching wreath and candles create a perfectly balanced display. Add whimsy with Santa Claus dolls and a palette deer sign. Snowy pine cones on the garland pair beautifully with simple white stockings. Finally, create a scene with a snowy village display on the mantel. Tie it all together with neutral ribbons on the wreath and garland. These ideas help you make your fireplace the focal point of your holiday celebrations. Just adding a few candles or a new garland can change the whole room. Which style fits your home best? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy decorating!